back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this not so beautiful rainy day. It seems like for the last, I don't know, maybe week or two, that's all it's been doing right here is just raining. And we were supposed to get some snow this week, which kind of sucks, but I think then afterwards it's supposed to clear up, so I'm kind of hyped for that. I apologize right now for any noise you guys are going to hear from the rain. I'm going to do my best to make sure you don't hear it, but sometimes you can't help it. Today I just wanted to talk to you guys, sit down, have a nice little car vlog like I haven't done in a while. Because I know there hasn't been a lot of BRZ or a lot of doing mods or anything to the car recently on the channel actually, and that's fairly easy to explain. Basically, me and Courtney just went through a huge change in our lives, and now we live by ourselves and we have to pay for everything and anything that there is to pay for, and that's not something we're used to doing. So we both have new jobs. I work for a company that just started, so I'm still kind of iffy on the hours, and we're not used to having to pay so much, so we're just kind of taking it slow and making sure that we can afford life before we start going into the cars. But I think we're set up to have a pretty good year this year. We just have to, you know, get used to where the money's going and how much is being spent where. But once we get settled and we get everything figured out, it will be a fantastic year, and you guys will not be disappointed by the amount of stuff that we're going to be doing to this car. I also just wanted to thank all you guys. We actually hit 8,000 subscribers the other day, and I told you guys once we got to 8,000 subscribers that something was going to happen. And for those of you that remember me saying that and you were around for that, get ready, because that's coming in March. And for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, you will see very shortly. It's super exciting. One of my videos actually for the first time hit 1 million views not too long ago too. It's one of my first videos, so I wasn't really super keeping track of when or how long it took. I'm pretty sure it's been there for maybe a month ago it hit 1,000 views, but I didn't really notice until just the other day, so that's also awesome. And I wanted to thank all of you, because I'm sure at one point or another you guys have all watched that video. I pulled in here, I accidentally hit my front skirt. I didn't mean to, but I did it. I had to drop off some recycling and stuff, but I'm not used to driving around with this front skirt yet, because I put it on and I just kind of sent the car away. I never really drove it a whole lot, so I'm not really used to pulling into spots and stuff with it, so sometimes it's a little bit, I get a little bit too close. I've also been trying to deal with, remember I told you guys about the shipping issues that I had getting here and all that kind of stuff, and my wheel actually got pretty damaged, and I kind of want to get it fixed before I put it on the car. That way we don't have to spend a bunch of time going back and forth, taking them on and off. So I'm trying to get the wheel refinished, I guess, is my best option right now, unless you guys know of anything better. But I think getting it refinished is the best option, and then after it's refinished, I'm gonna lower the car back down, put the new wheels on, which will be awesome, because I'm very sick of driving around with this almost stock ride height. It's rougher, and it's just like the coilovers are full max height, but like, I just miss being slammed. You guys have been hearing me talk a lot about commitment and staying committed, and I love you guys for commenting stay committed on my videos and becoming a part of something that we don't even know how big it's about to become. And I think it's really awesome, and I just want to say I appreciate all you guys that like kind of saw that and hopped on board. But something that I want to do, I want to challenge myself to do, and it's all ties into the staying committed thing, is I hate social media. Not necessarily for what it is, but more for the fact of how it takes people away. I hate when you go somewhere, or you're sitting somewhere, and you're trying to talk to someone, or you just want to spend some time with someone and they're constantly on their phone. And vice versa, I hate when it takes me away from something and I feel bad because I'll miss a part of a conversation, or anything happens and it's like, yeah, I was on my phone, and then you feel kind of guilty about it. And for those reasons, I just don't like social media. I don't tend to use it a lot. You guys notice I use Instagram a little bit, and then like I'll use it and then there'll be like a couple weeks where I don't. And Twitter, I just don't use, it's just not my thing. But what I'm going to challenge myself to do this year is stay committed to Instagram. That's going to be my one go-to. That's where you can follow me. My theory is I'm trying to make it on YouTube. I'm trying to have this become my future, because that would be unreal and it would give me freedom to do whatever I want. And that's why I'm staying committed to YouTube, and that's what this is all about. And social media ties in so big with that, and I'm just not a big player in social media, and I feel like if I advertised myself and I got out there more, I would do better. But I'm the kind of person that when there's something in front of me, I just want to get it done. When I video it, it's awesome. I get to show you guys and it's really cool. But I don't like to be taken away from the experience, because you only get to do everything once. And by everything, I meant live. But I realize that it ties into what I'm trying to get at and where I'm trying to be. And for that, I'm going to challenge myself to better my future. I'm going to challenge myself to do something I don't necessarily like right now to get me somewhere in the future. And I challenge you guys to do the same, because that's what I'm doing. I'm challenging myself to every day be active on Instagram, whether it's a story, whether it's a photo. Every day I'm going to post something on Instagram and just try to stay relevant and just try to stay there and keep you guys updated and let you know what's going on. So make sure you go right here, follow me on Instagram, get to it, because this year I'm challenging myself to post once a day. And if I can't do it, I want one of you guys to nudge me, tell me, keep me going. Because it's without you guys, there's no point. There wouldn't be me posting all the time. So I'm challenging you guys to help me with my own challenge and bug me about it. Keep me doing what I set out to do. I also got one of your letters in my P.O. box the other day from one of you guys. It's not anything that I'm gonna share on the channel, but the fact is that it's working. And my P.O. box, even if it's just one person so far, my P.O. box has grabbed the attention, and you guys have that as a way to communicate with me, which I think is amazing. And for those of you that don't know, the P.O. box and all that information is listed down below. So go down there and check it out if you want to. A lot of these corners I've been taking today are like intensely slippery. I might just have to lay down a little bit of force in the BRZ. I also don't know where I am. When I go to make in-car vlogs with you guys, I tend to just drive new areas because I'm new here and I don't really know a lot. And I'm a little bit lost. Before anything crazy happens, this is why you go to Mexico to do these things, kids. I'm not recommending you do this, but if you're gonna do it, go to Mexico. We're on too big of a hill on this one to do it. I seem to be in like a quieter little town that I don't really know, and I don't think it'll really kill anybody that doesn't know me here. I literally just bounced redline, just burning through second. That was unreal. What a mood changer. I was having a little bit of a grumpy morning today. Not anymore. I don't want to be responsible for anybody else's shitty day or my own. I'm gonna leave you with what I gave you so far, guys. Please do something for me, and that is try committing to something that you know will better you, even if you don't like it. It can be down to the simplest things. If there's something you know will better you, your career, anything that you're trying to do, anywhere that you want to be, and there's something that you really just don't like doing but you know will get you there, commit yourself to doing it. Don't let me slip on Instagram. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below. I will stay committed. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.